PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can easily connect your MetaMask wallet to it to trade tokens and add liquidity. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install MetaMask. If you don't already have MetaMask, download and install it from the official website for Chrome, Firefox, or other supported browsers. Set up your wallet by following the instructions. Add Binance Smart Chain Network. Open MetaMask and navigate to the settings by clicking the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Click on Networks and select Add Network. Enter the following details. Connect MetaMask to PancakeSwap. Visit PancakeSwap. Click on the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. Select MetaMask. From the list of available wallets, select MetaMask. Approve connection. A MetaMask pop-up will appear asking you to approve the connection. Click Connect to authorize. Start trading. Once connected, you can trade tokens, provide liquidity, and use other features on PancakeSwap seamlessly through your MetaMask wallet. Manage funds. Check your wallet balance, view transaction history, and manage your assets directly within MetaMask on PancakeSwap.